Huling 2 gabi na lang ng pulang araw at sa sobrang bilib sa hit family drama, sa kanyang bahay nagpa-Thanksgiving at viewing party ng finale nito, si dating GMA Network President Menardo Jimenez. Makichika kay Nelson Canlas.
Binuksan ni dating GMA Network President Menardo Jimenez at kanyang asawang si Carolina ang kanilang tahanan para sa isang Thanksgiving party at viewing ng final episode ng Pulang Araw. Naroon din ang kanilang mga anak na sina GMA Board Member Lori Jimenez Westfall at PLDT COO Butch Jimenez. Aminadong big fan ng serye ang pamilyang Jimenez. Nagpapasalamat sila sa naiambag ng serye sa pamilyang Pilipino.
In every series that you made, there is what you call a learning process. Not only for the old, but also for the young. And for the family, maski mga galing sa Amerika, sabi ko manood kayo because, you know, it's nice to know the family problem, the what you call operation of family relationship. Diyan yung makikita lahat yan, kako eh.
Dumalo si GMA Network Senior Vice President Attorney Annette Gozon Valdez, SVP for Entertainment Lilibet Razonable at VP for Drama Cheryl Chingsi.
It's been a great run. It's one of the shows na talagang mapagyayabang ng GMA. And sa lahat ng naririnig ko naman na mga feedback tungkol sa show, nakakataba talaga ng puso. And we just want to thank the whole staff and crew, mga artists, both in front and behind the camera, for giving us such a great show.
Present din ang mga bida ng Kapuso Family Drama Series sa pangunguna ni Alden Richards, Barbie Fortesa, Sanya Lopez at marami pang iba.
Thank you so much po to the whole Jimenez family for having us here, na talagang yung support nila para sa amin. Grabe talaga. Pagiging welcoming nila sa amin, iba talaga.
Definitely, this is a project na maikukwento ko sa future family ko, na I'm very proud that I was part of this project and that it will leave a very big impact to our younger generations today. And I'm so happy dahil maganda naming nasimulan, napakaganda naming tinapos ang proyekto.
Bukas na mapapanood ang finale ng Pulang Araw sa GMA at GTV. Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.